guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chidalunke and I'm a faith and lifestyle content creator. So today I'll be filming Gorgeous's hair day part 2 because I have been documenting my daughter's hair journey because she has this special 3A hair that, you know, in the first 6 years was kind of more of a stunted growth situation. So you can watch my previous video to watch the story of, you know, of her hair growth and everything. So I decided to be more intentional with her hair, and I have been experimenting with a lot of hair treatments, hacks, you know, using herbs, using natural ingredients. I'm not so keen on trying out over-the-counter products right now. I'm going more of herbal remedies, which includes products that I make by myself as a product formulator, and then also just basic herbal ingredients and natural ingredients. You know what I mean now, like, you know, the whole egg protein pre-poo and all those kind of things. Yeah, so I'm just trying out several things to see how it goes. Yeah, so today is going to be a detoxifying and strengthening mask, okay, and it's going to be involved with a lot of powders, not a lot though, just 4 powders that I'll be using to give her a hair mask treatment. Okay, so if you want to watch that process, stay tuned to the end of this video. But before I go, I want to give a shout out to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for sticking with me, and if you're a first-time subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. And please, if you have not subscribed, I would implore you to please hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified anytime I post. All right, so yes, so if you want to see the process of Gorgeous's hair day, please stay tuned to the end of this video, and I will be right back. So I'm going to start by measuring out everything that I'll be needing for this hair mask, which are only 4 ingredients. So I'm starting with amla, rice powder, henna, bentonite clay. This one is from Zappy Botanics detox clay mask. It's mainly a bentonite clay mask, but it has other ingredients in it. So I'm gonna mix that with water. I think you can also add aloe vera to it, but because I didn't prepare the aloe vera on time, I just wanted to just get this done with. But you can add aloe vera for extra moisture and other benefits of aloe vera for the hair. Yeah, so I'm just gonna start sectioning and then applying that to her hair. Like, I really want her hair to be strong. I want to reduce breakage. Like I said in the previous video, reduced breakage means length retention. So that means at least the hair is not gonna be, you know, breaking off as it's growing. So I really want to strengthen her hair, which is one of the functions for the rice powder, whether you're using rice powder or rice water. So those are some of the benefits of rice water for hair, because, you know, it's gonna strengthen the hair. And that's why after this pre-poo, make sure you condition the hair properly, so that, you know, too much strengthening will not now lead to breakage. Okay, so I'm gonna massage that into the scalp properly, make sure I get all those edges, and I'm gonna leave it on. So I left it on for at least 1 hour. I tried to get her engaged, you know, make her watch movies and all, so that, you know, the thing can really sit in. So I'm gonna let her relax now for the thing to really kind of detoxify her scalp and all that before we wash, shampoo, and make the hair. Okay guys, welcome back. So yeah, so basically I want to leave this mask on for at least 1 hour. So what I'm gonna do is to find a way to get her engaged. So I'm basically gonna put a movie for her. Mama, what do you want to watch? You don't want a new movie?
I do.
There's
It doesn't have Vivo.
huh?
Vivo, I love Vivo.
I don't know if there's Vivo here. So I'm gonna start with these 2 Brazilian wool. Okay, so before blow drying, I already applied the conditioner and the hair oil, the hair butter. Yeah, so I didn't just blow dry, I didn't just wash and then I started blow drying. So I did moisturize the hair because it was wet. I just wanted to blow dry it before starting, and it kind of also makes it easy to part the hair and all that, because her hair literally kind of sticks to her scalp. So blow drying kind of helps it fly free, so it's easy to work with. Right now I'm trying to part the hair according to the design or according to the pattern for the hairstyle. So this is what I have. We'll be back when we are done. Welcome back. What do you think about the hair mask? Have you tried it before? Anyway guys, so if you have more treatment ideas, please drop them in the comment section. If you have any YouTube video or natural hair expert that you want me to watch their video, drop them in the comment section. Please drop links of people that actually know what they are doing. Please, not people that are just trying whatever, crayfish people, indomie people. No, please drop links of people that actually know what they are doing, you know, and you can see that they have long hair, they have been experimenting and they actually have long hair. Okay, so yeah, so next time I'm also gonna film a different, you know, pre-poo treatment. So guys, thank you so much for watching to the end of this video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you next time.